First, cut 3 cords, fold it in half and make a lark's head knot. We'll work on the left side first. So get this cord from your farthest left and use this as our lead cord, as we'll make a double half hitch knot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this first, this cord, and we're gonna start working on the second cord, but this time going to the left side. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as my lead cord, and I'll make double half hitch horizontal, double half hitch going to the left. Next, we're gonna use this second cord from the right as my lead cord, as I make horizontal double half hitch going to the left again. Okay. Then we'll proceed on this one. Another row of double half hitch going to the left. Okay, now it's time to create double half hitch going to the right. So what we'll do is use this cord from the left as our lead cord going to the right. Then another row going to the right. So same thing, we are using this farthest left cord as our lead cord as we work our way to the right. Okay. Now down to our last row. So basically we will have 7 rows of double half hitch knot. For one leaf, we should be able to have 7 rows of double half hitch. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect the two by making another double half hitch. Okay, so let's just secure this by making another double half hitch and tighten it. You can use this pattern for this wall hanging project. Link for the tutorial is available in the description box.